Hello, we are going to see how to find our two articles for the final project. So as you know, we need two articles. One popular science article, which is linked to a scientific article. So what we can do is to pick one of the magazines of journals that also publish science-related news. You can pick any journal or magazine that you like, but let's try with The Guardian, okay? So I type the name of my magazine or newspaper and I find the link to the main website. Okay, so now I am on the Guardian page and I want to look for an article which is based on a scientific article. So one way I can do this is to go on the search button and type something like according to a study, because usually when popular science articles are based on scientific articles, they will state that. So by typing according to a study, I am quite sure I will find a number of articles that are based on scientific research. And as you can see, I have a number of articles here, of titles. And I can pick one title that is about a topic that I'm particularly interested in. For example, I like this. Or I could scroll down and look for something that I like more. For example, this one. Let's see what it is about. And you can see that it's an article that says, right in the title, the words study finds. This is a very good indication that this article tells us about a scientific study. Now we need to scroll down to see who are the authors of this study and any indication that can tell us how to find the original scientific study. I will find the name of one of the authors. Okay, you see, Richard Thompson, professor of marine biology, who conducted the investigation. So we know that he conducted the investigation with a PhD student. So we know that these two guys are the authors of the article. So what we can do is to type their names in Google Scholars. Google Scholars is the search engine for scientific articles. So it narrows down our possibilities to find the right match. So I will type Richard Thompson and the name of the other authors, Imogen Napper. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first occurrence that shows up is this article, which is related with microplastics, but it's authored by 4 people. Instead, the one we were reading was authored by just Napper and Thompson. We can go back and see when was the popular science article published. We can look for the date of the popular science article, and it's September 27, 2016. Okay, so we know that the scientific article was published either in 2016 or earlier. So this is 2015, it might work. But let's look at the second one. Okay, the second one is by the 2 authors, and it relates with domestic washing machines and microplastics, and it seems that we found it. A single clothes wash may release 700,000 microplastic fibers, study finds. So we click on it and we see that it's from Science Direct, and we do not have access to the full PDF. So what we can do is to type Sapienza Discovery, and we go on the Sapienza website to retrieve articles or resources. We click again on Discovery Sapienza, and here we have the title of our paper. We copy it and paste it into the Discovery Sapienza search engine. We look for the title and see that they have the article. We click on accedi al testo completo and they cannot find it because we are not logged in. So we go up here, accedi con le tue credenziali istituzionali, and we access, and we type into it our Sapienza email address. And our password. So we click on the title of our article. We click on accedi al testo completo. And now we can download our PDF. And we have the all academic article. So that's it. We have our academic article and we have our parallel popular science article. And that's it. You have found the 2 articles you need for your final project.